Welcome back, everybody, to the Wild Wolf and Crazy Wife channel. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit that bell, ding, 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 ding. And yeah, today we are having some Old Smoky Tennessee Moonshine sour. Oh, sour! I hate sour shit.
Razzin-berry.
Razzin-berry. This is made in Tennessee at the Moonshine, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna have to stop her from buying this stuff. I'm sick of drinking all this crazy shit.
This is why I went full time.
This is gonna hurt. I guarantee it. We'll be in bed in 10 minutes.
Cheers.
Cheers, sip.
I highly recommend. Yep, yep.
Oh, no, I feel it all the way down to my belly again.
Ooh. Really? It's only 40 proof. You're fine.
Well, I better be fine.
That's
But
fine.
yeah, that's what we got going on today. Cooked some shit up already today, and yeah, life's an inch thing, make an inch thing.
Winners never quit.
Quitters never win. And yeah, all right, have a great day, everyone. See ya.